Hello children, welcome back to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is oxidation of methyl ketone by haloform reaction. So sometime by name it is asked what is haloform reaction. Write short note on haloform reaction. Haloform reaction, let us see what is haloform reaction. Here this is methyl ketone, when it made to react with sodium hypohalite, NaOX, sodium hypohalite. When methyl ketone made to react with sodium hypohalite, so what happens? This portion, bond breaks from here, that bonds break from there, and this much portion goes to this carbon, and that halogen comes to this carbon. Try to understand what I told. This much portion from here, NaO goes to this, okay, and X goes to CH3. Means one salt of acid we get this. So what will be? CH3 COONA, this, okay. Another what will be here, that we got. And other thing to see, hydrogen will be replaced by X, so that will change into CHX3 plus HX. So if we take 3 molecules of this, okay, then we will get that product. Okay, that is haloform reaction. So what we have seen here, methyl ketone react with sodium hypohalite. Sodium hypohalite oxidizes the ketone to corresponding carboxylic acid and haloform, and this reaction is known as haloform reaction. Means if we can say, when methyl ketone or any aldehyde having CH3CO group are made to react with sodium hypohalite. It means sodium hypohalite. It oxidizes ketone to corresponding salt of corresponding sodium salt of carboxylic acid which has one carbon less than parent ketone and gives haloform. This reaction is known as this reaction is known as haloform reaction. Okay, so this is the special type of reaction. Only this reaction is shown compounds have CH3CO group. If any compound has this group, then that will show haloform reaction. So this reaction is also used to check the carbonyl group that containing alkyl group or not. Means if any compound that containing whatever compound is that contains CH3CO group that undergoes haloform reaction, and other reaction doesn't go haloform reaction, but alcohol goes haloform reaction. So only this alcohol goes haloform reaction because on oxidation that gives acid. Only this alcohol gives haloform reaction because when it is oxidized by KMnO4, it oxidizes into acid. So what is the criteria for haloform reaction? Criteria of haloform reaction is this: any carbonyl compound containing this group gives haloform reaction. So this point all of you remember. So some compound may be given and that may ask will this compound give haloform reaction or not. So this point you have to remember.